Wheat planting 2012, sorry. Filling up with feed, seed and fertiliser. Seed and fertiliser in the grouper bin. We are at Congamine. The good old 8120 with the boom spray on. Been harvesting, spraying. The motor running on the grouper bin with that noise. There's the planter. Big rig planter, 0-till. Hooked to the 9530. Been a good machine so far. Good machine, we cover about 15 hectares an hour. And here's the paddock. Getting close to the end now. Finished with the wheat for 2012, then we start on the chickpeas. So yeah, I'm glad to see the end of it this year. Anyway, it's all good. There's all the dollar pour into the bin. You can see the dust over there, that's mulching some thick stubble that we had trouble getting the planter through. This will be done there directly. We'll be right to finish off by tonight, hopefully.